Hi, and thank you today for watching this video. These are my go-to for garden edging. They are charcoal block pavers, roughly measuring 20 by 10 centimeters, and cost around 30 to 40 pence each. Ideal for garden edging or driveway edging like this. They can be straight or curved. These are being laid on a wet bed of sand and cement with an already set concrete base. They're a far cheaper option than the natural cobbles, and in my opinion, long lasting and more durable than the plastic edging. I hope you enjoyed the video, and here is the final result. Hopefully see you next time.